homemade grilled goat meat. You can follow the same procedure. You also do the beef meat. So today we are doing grilled goat meat. The way you see it is the way you can do it from my kitchen to your kitchen, and you feel the taste. New viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes. So we are doing grilled. So you need your goat's meat. Wash it very well. You need Royco, you need salt, you need garlic ginger paste, you need turmeric, paprika and black pepper. You can use any spice you need. You need tomato sauce too. You need tomato sauce. So we are going to wash our meat. After washing it, you're going to chop it. After washing it, you chop it into different pieces. Then after, you season it. Seasoning, you apply salt. You apply salt on your meat or on our plate. Apply Royco, apply turmeric, apply paprika, apply black pepper, apply tomato sauce. Then you mix. Then apply ginger garlic paste. I told you ginger garlic paste, you blend ginger, garlic and oil to get that paste. Then make sure that you mix it very well. Then you apply your what? You start coating your meat. Yeah, start coating your meat. We are doing homemade grilled goat meat. So make sure that it is coated well. Then after coating it, leave it to marinate for like 20 minutes. Leave it to marinate for like 20 minutes. You can do the same procedure when you are doing beef. So then, after you apply on your charcoal stove, you can also use firewood, but make sure that you use medium heat. Use medium heat. Then you start turning each at a time. You take your time. Use medium heat or do on low heat. So you turn each at a time until you see that your meat is golden brown, until you see that your meat is ready. So you can do this when you are turning a little bit slowly by slowly. When you do it slowly by slowly, like for 20 to 40 minutes, between there, 20 to 40 minutes. So our meat is ready. So you can serve it with kachumbari, you can serve it with French fries, you can serve it with any favorable dish for you. This is homemade grilled goat's meat with Chef Joshua Musisi. New viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes.